Hey guys, did you know that the reason we get hiccups is because of an involuntary muscle spasm in our diaphragm? It's a common reflex that can be triggered by things like eating too quickly, drinking carbonated beverages, or even feeling anxious. But did you also know that there are many different remedies people swear by to get rid of hiccups, like holding your breath or drinking water upside down? While there's no one surefire way to cure hiccups, trying out these different remedies can make for a fun experiment.